festival for 3 days minimum, no? Because years ago, wala na siya half-day event. But, ambisyosa si Tere, binhimo natin 3 days and 3 sites, 3 venues. No? So, salamat din sa aton mga partners. And of course, ari dirigat tubang sa akon ang San Miguel, base hindi ko nila pagpainon. For your information, my mother was a model during your 100 years because she also held her 100th birthday during your 100 years, and she was your model. Why? Because she drank beer until she was 98 years old every day. She will not live in a day or eat lunch and dinner without pairing it with pale pills and pop.